Bye-bye.
Everybody say, ba-da-da, ba-da-da, da, ba-da-da, la-la-la, la.
Ay, putang ina dun na! Pagod na pagod eh. Hanggang alas 8 ba? Yung pahinga mo, ang 4 na oras.
Thank you, Kayo, for being my bridesmaid.
One day my life will be the greatest. Ask me how I'ma do it, don't say it. So bright.
Well, thank you for being here all the way from Manila.
Big shouts to all the homies. Got dark, but now we're glowing. I don't really know where we're going, but it's looking bright. I wanna kick back, ride away, let go, live today. It's so good to say my life is really, really great. I wanna wake up, smell the roses, look good, strike a pose. It's so good to say my life is really, really great. I wanna wake up, smell the roses, look good, strike a pose. It's so good to say my life is really, 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 really great.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually soon.
Mang Raquel, salamat. Pero ang salitang yan ay hindi pa rin sapat. Kaya salamat palagi.
Oh my, oh my love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary.
Hi, Dong. Here we are. After all, we've been through a lot, ups and downs, trials and challenges. But we still choose each other. We stand firm with each other.
Something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of a sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, know what we found. Hope.
Laptop yan, hindi na nakalagay sa pais. Hindi na nakalagay sa pais. Bakit hindi? Ayoko eh. Patay na kasi ako DFMB. Okay na yan. Ito, ano to? So, Yusin mo rin siya. Yan. May camera yata yun eh. Hindi, wala.
Oh my, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down.
Salamat palagi sa pag-aaruga sa pamilya natin. Salamat sa pagtanggap sa buhay ko na kung anong meron ako.
The angels up in the clouds are jealous, knowing we found something so out.
I am so blessed to have you and so thankful to our Almighty God for letting me bear the gift of life, our lovely child, Rihanna.
Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, know what we found. Something so heavenly, higher than ecstasy. Whenever you're next to me, oh my. Where was it black and white until I saw your light? I thought you had to die to fight. Something so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me down?
I promise to nurture our love and our family, to create a home filled with laughter, adventure, and an endless supply of snacks.
Are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of the sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found.
As we continue this journey, I promise to stand by you not just for during the sunny days, but also through the storms. I vow to be your biggest supporter since day one. to cheer you for you during every victory, and to hold your hand through every challenges.
Salamat sa pagmamahal mo. Salamat sa pag-iintindi mo. Salamat pala. Mahal na mahal. Love you. Aja.
I love you and Riri, now and always. Makapusman, sakto, paldo, basta magkasama tayo, sabay nating tuparin ang lahat ng magagandang plano sa buhay, mata sa langit, paa sa lupa.